Okay, my friend, today is Sunday. Let's start work in a relaxed manner. Yesterday I didn't work optimally, plus I forgot to turn off the application when I went to take a shower. This will definitely decrease the number of orders, but hopefully it won't be like that. This is Mataram Street, close to the salt warehouse factory. The road is being renovated, my friend. I'm currently transporting uranium missiles. My friend told me to send them to Israel. Our world is not doing well right now, my friend. I hope the third world war doesn't happen.
Okay.
I'm caught in the rain. Let's take shelter while we're having lunch. After a few minutes of rest, we continued looking for orders. We were only given another order when the day had turned to night. Okay, my friend, that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and follow me.